Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for Project Management and Assessment 3, Term 1209, and this is my Week 2 reflection video. Generally explain the difference between web-based applications and native applications on mobile devices. Native applications generally are pre-installed apps that you get on your phone, such as like your calendar, if you have like a calculator, and they have to run off basically whatever, depending on the phone you're using, their operating system. For example, like the iPhone, it would have to run on the iOS software. And then web-based apps are apps that need to, every time you open them, they go off the web and kind of load from the web and update whatever updates have happened will automatically update for you. Where if native apps, you have to wait until an update happens for just that app. So discuss why learning about web-based applications is important and why is it relevant to the industry in its current state. I think more companies are starting to do more web-based apps. I think it's easier for them instead of having to do updates and hoping that the customer or the user will update it to get the latest version of it. Whereas a web-based, they can just update it on using the web, and then automatically, as whenever the user opens it, it automatically updates it, and I think it makes it easier to fix any bugs or any type of you know issues that they might have, and you can use HTML with JavaScript, and it's just I just think it's basically the future, and we're going to be seeing more and more web-based apps on phones. Evaluate the applications you currently use and identify as best you can whether they might be web-based, native, or a hybrid of the two. I use Digg, D-I-G-G. It's a web-based app. It kind of gives you all news from around the world, and it yeah, it's a web-based app because every time you open it up, it's getting the latest news stories or from around the world and everything. I also use Gmail, which I believe is a web-based app, because I'm always, it uses the web to check to see if I have any new mail. And then I also use Facebook, and I believe Facebook is a hybrid of the two. You can refresh to get from the web to get the latest updates, but then you can also just go to old stuff, and so you don't necessarily have to refresh every time, but it does use the web to get the latest I guess status updates. So that is my video for week 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.